Hi, welcome back to our channel,
Let Us Eat.
And today we were making some cashew queso along with some vegan nachos, because why not?
Yeah, nachos for the queso, right?
Yeah. Alright, so yeah, we're going to be making some cashew queso, which I know like a lot of people, it's becoming more popular to make some like cheesy type products with like cashews or nuts of some sort along with like nutritional yeast. A lot of people probably aren't aware that nutritional yeast is available to them. Hoping that you're going to enjoy this video because it was really good.
Hey, welcome back. Destiny, that was really good. Like, I was impressed. I've never had any of that before, and I really enjoyed it. And eating the queso part of the cashews being crushed up like that, I thought it was going to have a totally different taste, and it was actually really good.
Yeah, that nutritional yeast really does a good job at like mimicking like a cheesy kind of texture to it. Or kind of some adjustments that we had to do, what that recipe had stated. So whenever we originally blended up the cashew mixture, it was really runny. So to compensate, we just threw in some more cashews to kind of even it out and make it more thicker in consistency. Kind of was like adjusting with the flavors too, because I really kind of like that spice towards the end, or like the kick to it. So we kind of dumped maybe like a quarter teaspoon maybe worth of cayenne pepper in it, and yeah, it gave it the kick it needed.
Oh yeah, you felt that kick for sure.
Nachos are just nachos. You just top them with whatever you like, and then
yeah, of course. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go
like and subscribe
and hit that notification bell.
Hit that notification bell.
Our links to our Instagrams are going to be at the link below, so please follow us. We enjoy it. Thank you guys so much.
Yes.
Okay.